Hello, welcome to the channel Kids Cloud.
Here we are with another topic. What are proteins? Before going into detail, we need to understand the role of proteins in our lives. Our body needs protein for growth. Proteins help in building, maintaining, and replacing the tissues in our body. A number of biochemical reactions carried out in our body with the help of enzymes, which are nothing but the proteins. Proteins help in building muscles and organs. Our immune mechanism highly depends on protein consumption. Proteins play a significant role in metabolism. So question arises, what are proteins? Proteins are one of the macronutrients like carbohydrates and fats. These are complex molecules made up of hundreds of smaller units called amino acids. Protein is formed when amino acids are linked together through peptide bonds in the form of long chains. The unique structure and function of protein are determined by the sequence of amino acids linked in the protein. What are amino acids? Amino acids are building blocks of proteins. These are organic compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, or sulphur. Plant and animal proteins contain about 20 different amino acids. These 20 different amino acids are divided into two types: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Out of 20 amino acids, 9 amino acids our body cannot make itself. These are called essential amino acids. Our body gets these amino acids from outside food. Non-essential amino acids. We don't need a diet for these amino acids. There are 13 amino acids which are considered as non-essential amino acids. Our body can make these 13 amino acids itself. These are the essential amino acids which we get from the diet. These includes isoleucine, leucine, phenylalanine, methionine, valine, tryptophan, threonine, lysine, and histidine. Let's talk about diet, which provides these essential amino acids. Both animal and plant-based foods are rich sources of proteins. Food that contains all essential amino acids are called complete proteins. Food from animal sources contains all essential amino acids required for an adult. For example, meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, etc. Many plant source food provides partial amino acids are not considered as complete proteins. For example, nuts, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Thus, we can get essential amino acids from egg, meat and fish, dairy products, beans, pulses, nuts, grains, fruits and vegetables. One can get complete proteins from plant food by eating a variety of vegetable sources in combination.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel.